Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back. We are going to do another paint pour. You may be looking at the screen thinking, WTF? And I will explain to you. As you know from a past video where I found a tile out in the woods on my property, a 10 by 10 ceramic tile just lying there because previous owners of this house have dumped their building supplies out in the woods instead of whatever other method they decided not to do to get rid of things. So I go out there periodically and I find stuff. Today I was out there and I found this piece of chain link fence. I have a chain link fence around most of my yard, and apparently these were leftover pieces, and I thought, ooh, wonder what kind of pattern we get from pouring through this. Well, if I leave it like this, we'll get a little bit, but mostly the paint will just go through all the big spaces. So I brought this in, I cleaned off a 20-inch section of it because I'm lazy, so I cleaned off just as much as I'd need for this pour. And then I thought, I know, let's make it really interesting, and we'll roll it up and we'll rest it on our canvas like that. And we'll do 2 cup pours through this. So it'll go through here. I will then ever so carefully move the fence piece off to the side and we will tilt our canvas and see what happens. I, again, do not have that many paints mixed up ready to go, so we are going to use some ready to pour paints just to make this a bit easier. This pour today, we need about 10 ounces of paint. The calculation per Mixed Media Girl is actually 9.625 ounces. But because I don't know how much paint is going to get stuck on the fence, we're going to just go for 10. And I don't have a 10-ounce cup, so we're going to do 2 5-ounce cups. And then 2 pours. And I have picked the following Artist Loft ready mixed pouring paints to use in today's video. We have metallic white, aqua green, sap green, black, nope, no special kind of black, just black, old gold, phthalo blue, violet, and deep yellow. So those are our colors. I'm going to layer 2 5-ounce cups, or two 5-ounce cups. I am reusing some old cups because I'm trying to be kind to Mother Nature as much as possible. I know there's just too much plastic in the world already, and I'm trying not to add to it more than absolutely necessary, and still get to paint. I don't think I'm going to do these in the same order in both cups. I mean, we've done that before. I'm just going to build 1 cup and then build another cup, and then we're going to pour. So I'm starting this cup with old gold. I'm also not going to use a whole lot of black. I don't want to end up with it taking over. Aqua green. Phthalo blue. Metallic white. Violet. Deep yellow. Sap green. A little bit of black. And let's end with white. Alright, so there's 1 5-ounce cup that I'm going to rest off to the side here. Now I'm going to make up the next one. Let's see, what do we want to start with? It'll come out last. So how about violet? Tiny bit of black. Aqua green. gold, purple, blue, yellow, aqua, white, green, and gold. All right, I'm just going to set those there, and I'm going to get everything ready, so hang tight. Okay, we're back. Put my gloves back on. I had to take the plastic wrapping off the canvas, I realized. And then I sprayed some water on the back of it to tighten it up. And I put the fence piece back on. And now we are going to pour. I'm going to do 1 cup at a time just to make sure you can see it and I can be coordinated about it. We'll start over here with this one. And then before we lose too much of that, I'm going to pour this one. Now this is going to be the fun part, she says very sarcastically. And now we tilt. I actually like this side better because it's got more turquoise and blue in it, or aqua and blue. But that's, you know, that's me. See if we can hang on to both as much as we can. Still got our corners covered. I tell you, that blue and the gold together, wow. All Alrighty, I'm going to stop right there. That is beautimous. Touch up a couple of corners. Yeehaw! How gorgeous, huh? Love it. Alright, let me clean up my hands and we'll go in for our close-up. Here is the lower right corner. Up the right side. Wow. This paint just holds its lines so perfectly, as I've said many times before. Upper right corner, across the top. Isn't the blue and gold together just stunning? Upper left corner, down the left side. To the lower left corner, and then along the bottom. Really beautiful. Wow. Of course, I love these colors. Kind of hard to go wrong, unless I put in too much black, but I didn't this time. All right, here is the full picture. Focus. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.